We're in Cornwall.
We are in Cornwall. We left Lostwithiel singing by the river, and we decided to pay my nephew Toby a bit of a surprise visit, and he's going to hang out with us for a couple of days.
We've kidnapped him.
We've kidnapped him. We're just heading down the south coast of Cornwall towards Land's End. So we're going to do the coastal road of Cornwall, and Toby's going to hang out with us for a couple of days. And
he knows a couple of secret spots.
So he's going to be our guide for the next couple of days, right?
So we're getting, the Tom is in the cupboard, and we've got our Tobe.
We've got a Tobe instead of a Tom. So here's a lesson when you're using Google Maps. Don't have two maps open with two different directions, because I was listening to one that was telling me to drive straight on, and then it was telling me to U-turn, and we've just driven in a really big circle.
The man was telling him to go one way, and the woman was telling him to go the other way, and
the woman was the right one.
On this occasion.
Good morning. So we have woken up in Cornwall by the sea, and it has stopped raining. It hammered it down last night, and the van was rocking away, but it's absolutely beautiful this morning. The mist coming over the hills in the background with the sun sort of coming in and out of the clouds is amazing. So I'm going to try and do a little time lapse to show you guys what that looks like. But today we're going to explore the bottom of Cornwall. We're going to drive down to the Lizard, which is the most southerly point of England, and try and show some bits in between. The weather forecast is a bit dodgy today, but hopefully it holds off for us. And it's beautiful. I think I'm going to get the drone up and show you guys just how wonderful it is. So we've just arrived at Lizard Point, and the lighthouse is the most southerly lighthouse in England, and we've just driven round, but the car park they charge is quite expensive because it's part of the National Trust. So we've decided, we've seen it, and we're not going to actually go into it because of our limited budget today.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's always...
So we've arrived at the village of Porthleven.
Yeah, we were here about 5 years ago-ish for a birthday treat. Chris brought me here.
We did. We spent a weekend here a while back, and it was a lovely little village, so we thought we'd come and show you guys.
Yeah.
And it's a very typical Cornish English seaside village with a beautiful harbour.
Yeah.
And lots of little pubs and restaurants, and amazingly the sun has come out and the rain has stopped. We had to wait in the van for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, and then the clouds parted and the blue sky appeared. But take a look at this town, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
For those of you who do not know the Cornish flag, it's the black flag with a white cross, and it's right behind me, just up there. There's a lot of talk about scones and cream and jam, and I know that Devon and Cornwall have this little thing going, and I've just seen a sign that says the jam comes first.
Yeah, it does.
So there you go. I heard it from a Cornish person. So there you go. The jam comes first on a scone or
I
scone.
put jam first, actually.
Cream. Jam comes first. I do jam. So when Chris and I came to Cornwall last, we stayed here. It's the Harbour Inn, and it's a lovely, lovely spot. It was really quiet and comfortable, and in the morning they've got benches just opposite the pub, and so you could come out, sit out with your coffee. So yeah, it was a really lovely memory that we had years ago. I think it was about 5 years ago.
What do you got?
Banoffee.
Banoffee.
Well, it's just, I love banana, and they didn't have any honeycomb like they did in Ireland, so I'm moving over to banoffee.
Actually, mine has got honeycomb in it.
How's that?
Armadillo, I think it's called.
Although you're melting fast.
I'm melting
So
fast.
we might have to...
Toby, how's your ice cream?
Brilliant.
It's a bit big. Are you going to be sick afterwards?
Well, we'll have to see.
Very good answer. We might have to sacrifice filming for eating though.
Absolutely. Bye. And we're heading down the south coast of Ireland.
Ireland?
Did I just say Ireland?
Ireland.
There's a habit there. Cut.